Women Member of Parliament in collaboration with the UN Women Office and Media Focus on Africa, among other stakeholders, have begun sensitization of women and girls, encouraging them to take up political and leadership offices while seeking to demystify the cultural barriers that inhibit women from taking up political positions. Speaking at a stakeholders meeting, the Kericho County Women Rep has called on the local community to embrace women leadership while encouraging female students, especially those in colleges and universities, to vie for leadership positions and hone their skills. The women leaders spoke at this event.
Come 2027, we have to encourage our women to believe more in themselves, and also the value of mentorship that now organizations are offering. For example, UN Women, at least we are seeing the programs that they are having are just encouraging women.
So for women, I want to ask them to come out very strong, to believe in themselves and to walk the journey. Nobody will pick you down there and ask you to be a leader. We will support leaders when they come out very strong. I want to ask our daughters in the universities, that is where they start their leadership. They come out very strong, ask for those positions just like anybody else. And when it comes to the political positions, I will request that women come out very strong and be supported.
UN Women is working closely with the Office of the Women Rep for Kericho County, and also with Media Focus on Africa and our community-based organization to host community dialogues at the community level aimed at influencing people's perceptions or the community perceptions about women's political participation and leadership.
In other news, the government has announced its plan